delicate, sacred art. The rhythm of my very being, the beat of my own heart.
You said you'd keep it safe, away from all the lies. I saw the truth reflecting in the ocean in your eyes.
And I never thought to question, never feared the tide. I was anchored in your harbor with nowhere else to hide.
You held a heart, held in your hand, my whole world on a single string. I thought you were the one who understands, the keeper of my everything.
But you just opened up your fingers and you let it go, let it fall. Now I'm left here in the shivers, picking up the pieces scattered, lost and small.
Remember how you traced the lines upon my skin? Said you'd love the cracks, the places where the light gets in.
I built my home in your promise, a fortress strong indeed. Now the silence in these hallways is all that doesn't sleep.
You carried it so gently, or was it just a game? A beautiful illusion I was foolish to reclaim.
And I never saw the tremble in the hands I called my home. I never knew that love could feel so utterly alone.
You held a heart, held in your hand, my whole world on a single string. I thought you were the one who understands, the keeper of my everything.
But you just opened up your fingers and you let it go, let it fall. Now I'm left here in the shivers, picking up the pieces scattered, lost and small.
Just a trembling thing, so fragile and so bare. You held the universe
And then you left it there.
No crash, no thunder, just the quiet of the